Welcome to another woodworking entry by Tito A. So I decided to create another display case because I was already running out of space for my new toys. Of course, the wife was totally against it because adding another case means buying more toys. For the panels, I used a 3/4 inch marine plywood. I also use a Makita M5081M circular saw. Next is pre-drilling holes for my side panels. Here I use a cordless Makita CXT hammer drill. Since I work alone, I use lots of clamps. I use the brand Stickwell wood glue to attach my panels and use an old plastic container to dispense the glue. Then I use a silicone spatula to spread the glue. Here I added a middle wood support to prevent the middle part from sagging. This was the mistake I made on the first display cabinet. Here adding the back panel. I use a 1/2 marine plywood for the back panel. Did a bit of light sanding to avoid splinters. Now let's start painting our first coat of paint. I would need to let this dry out for a few days before applying the second layer of paint. Next is cutting the French cleat wall supports. Then next is staining the wood edges. Always wear gloves when staining, else you will have dirty fingernails for the next 5 days. Staining the wood would give the edges a bit of design to the plain white cabinet. Next is getting the acrylic panel ready. Cutting the acrylic plastic to the size for the cabinet door. Next is adding LED lights. Testing if their lights work. Next is wall mounting the cabinet. Then adding the acrylic panels. Lastly is testing the blights and how it looks. Let me know what you guys think.